Today is November 23, Saturday, and I'm on my way to Intramuros for the 42nd National Book Awards. Nasa approaching NLEX pa lang. I'm coming from Caloocan, so the fastest route would be taking NLEX and then in the Harbor Lane NLEX Connect. That's the fastest way. If I go through if I go through Commonwealth, EDSA, Diyos ko, abutin ako 2 oras mahigit sa biyahe. Medyo heavy na nga rin yung traffic dito ngayon, so it's about an hour and 20 minutes to drive going to Intramuros. Yun lang. So later I'll show you what it's like at the Centro de Intramuros for the 42nd National Book Awards. Alright, see you later. So I'm here at Intramuros, Palesas. I'm here at Intramuros. Nasa loob na po tayo ng Centro de Turismo Intramuros. Nag-set up na kami for the National Book Awards. Hours to go bago magsisimula ang National Book Awards. So tignan lang natin yung ano pa yung mga naka-setup ngayon. Ang catering namin for the 42nd National Book Award ay M Catering. Wala pang pagkain. Empty pa. Kaya magsisetup sila mamaya. And meron tayong karosa here. There's a karosa with white flowers and the white flowers matches those on the tables. Naka-set up na yung screen for the second National Awards. It's quite massive. Naka-set up na rin yung Tiffany chairs. So from afar, ito yung tsura niya. Nice! That's the screen! This is what the bag looks like. Tanggalin natin yung box para makita yung bag. Nice, no? Nice bag. Here's the trophy. And here are the finalists and the winners.